Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, then leave it for a friend. You can also watch your moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Taurus. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the messages for you. Okay. Merong betrayal, merong lies. Okay, merong umiiwas sa inyo, Taurus, o meron kang iniiwasan. Mag-ingat sa mga taong ganyan. Okay, beware of that. Okay. Yes, merong sa relationship, isa sa inyo ay hindi na contented sa inyong relationship, hindi na masaya. One of you is going away dahil may hinahanap na fulfillment para sa kanila, okay? But you know, sometimes this is just temporary. Pero in this case, meron talagang merong tao o isa sa inyo na umiiwas, tumatakas. Pagdating ng gabi, this is moon, okay? May ginagawang hindi maganda, okay? Or may ginagawa na hindi mo alam, okay? For some of you, you are tired, pagod ka na, marami ka siguro mga obligasyon din, responsibilidad, and then at the same time, dumadagdag pa yung relasyon, yung hindi magandang pagsasama or relasyon sa kabiyak, okay? Girlfriend or boyfriend, asawa. You are juggling too much, okay? Marami kang ginagawa, parang hindi ka na maganda ugaga. Marami kang responsibilidad, marami kang iniisip. Okay? For some of you, yung resources ninyo, sakto lang, pinagkakasya mo lang. Dahil sa mga obligasyon, marami kayong responsibilidad, marami kayong binibigyan ng ayuda or ng pera, okay? Taurus, marami kayong sinusuportahan sa pamilya nyo, okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are also doing, kumukuha kayo ng mga impormasyon, okay? Nagre-research kayo kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay? Nagmamarites, okay, yung iba. Okay, you are also doing some research, learning new things para ma-improve yung financial status ninyo. Naghahanap kayo ng ways kung paano pa yung mga ibang rackets, maybe online business, you're doing that. Pinag-aaralan mo. Yeah. Wheel of Fortune, okay? Merong magbabalik sa inyo. Gusto itama kung ano yung mali na ginawa sa inyo, Taurus. For some of you, mare-reveal kung ano yung kalokohan or ano yung mga sikreto sa'yo ng inyong tao, ng inyong person. Okay? For those na nahihirapan na sa kanilang sitwasyon or sa kanilang relationship, merong pagbabago na mangyayari. Merong improvement na mangyayari after clearing the situations with your partner. Yeah, okay. So, merong may i-reveal na yun na nga, may re-reveal na mga kasinungalingan, okay? Lalapas yung katotohanan. Merong mga arguments. Merong pagtatalo na mangyayari, okay? For some of you, you are reminiscing. Inaalala nyo yung mga sweet moments noon. Maybe those places or yung mga moments from your hometown. Okay, old friends. Okay, for some of you, may mga anak. Inaalala yung kapakanan ng mga anak. Okay. Maybe an old friend or childhood friend nyo magbibigay ng message sa inyo. Okay, magbibigay ng advice. You will be communicating with you, Taurus. Okay, meron kayong pinaglalaban, Taurus, okay? Parang feeling nyo, sometimes this is also a card of in denial, okay? Minsan ayaw nyong harapin yung katotohanan sa nangyayari sa inyo. Even in, pwedeng sa relasyon, okay? Even sa work. Maraming informasyon na binibigay sa inyo, but it seems na parang ayaw mong tanggapin. You are still defending yourself or yung taong to. Okay? So, okay, it might be merong tao talaga, no? Your person wants to clear things with you. Meron kayong pag-uusapan. Merong conflict, okay? This person is running towards you. Merong gustong sabihin, okay, Taurus. And you are so defensive about it, okay? Defensive ka din, gusto mong protektahan yung sarili mo, okay? Parang hindi ka rin magpapatalo. Okay, ayusin natin to. Okay? So, the world. Merong closure na mangyayari or you will be completing a phase in your life. Maybe some of you will be traveling. Yung iba sa inyo gusto na tapusin kung ano man yung hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay, and one of you will be accepting it, will be forgiving. Some of you bibigyan na ng attention or bibigyan ka na ng attention ng iyong kabiyak or yung person mo. Okay, if dati wala siyang oras sa'yo, may mga bagay siyang ginagawa na hindi mo alam, merong pagsisinungaling, but now he or she is now ready to give you his or her attention to you. Okay, you will also, for some of you, you will also be receiving gifts or money, okay? Merong pagpapatawad na mangyayari or hingi ng tawad sa inyo. Okay? And let bygones be bygones. Some of you also, yes, pwedeng may mga traveling. Merong pagsisisi, okay, sa taong ito. Sa mga nagawang kasalanan, sa mga lies or betrayal sa inyo, Taurus. Okay? A father or, yeah, you're dealing with a husband. Okay? Haligi ng tahanan. Yeah. So, for some of you, parang disappointed na, no? So, nag-iisip na kung meron bang magandang direksyon or patutunguhan ng inyong relationship, okay? Stable pa ba ito or hindi? Meron bang security sa relationship ninyong dalawa? And some of you, nalulungkot sa ganyang sitwasyon, okay? So, parang napapagod ka na, Taurus. Nag-iisip ka kung mabubuo pa ba ang inyong pamilya or may maganda pa bang mangyari if you're staying with this person. Okay? Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. Yung taong ito yung taong ito is determinado na bumalik sa inyo or makikipag-usap because nagre-regret siya sa mga ginawa niyang betrayal or lie sa inyo. Okay? So, what are other messages for Taurus? Staff, you will be taken care of in difficult times. Okay? So, wag kang mag-alala, Taurus, may mga tao na sumusuporta at tumutulong sa inyo or willing tumulong sa inyo sa mga sitwasyon, sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, no? Pwedeng mag-advise, okay? Younger woman, dealing or relationship with a younger woman, okay? For some of you, maybe this person is involved with a younger woman, okay? Merong betrayal na nangyayari. Sorry, Taurus. So, ito yung mga messages na lumalabas. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you, okay? So, talagang kino-confirm na may mga hidden secrets, no? Hidden information na tinatago sa inyo. Yoke, feeling tied down or frustrated. Okay, feeling mo wala kang magawa eh. Okay? Parang ito na nangyari na to and maybe you are married to this person. You are in a committed relationship. Pero mahirap if you are kung kasal na, okay? Parang mahirap makawala. Kasi syempre may mga obligasyon ka, most especially if you have children with this person. August. So, some significant events will be happening in August. May mga mangyayari na hindi mo makakalimutan. Maybe in August. Okay? Meron kang mga abangan. Okay? For some of you, will be traveling or if you are working abroad or if you're living abroad and uwi ka dito sa Pilipinas, maybe that will happen in August. Something significant na mangyayari sa August. Fair man. Dealings or relationship with a man with blonde, gray, or white hair. Okay? So, yes. You may be dealing with someone sa isang lalaki na with gray hair or white hair. Maybe blonde or a foreigner. Okay? And that person is not being true to you. Okay? So, what else? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages sa'yo. Taurus. Or Taurus. Yes. If you find yourself stuck in a situation you are unhappy with, ask yourself why you are still there. Is it fear of the unknown? Leaving toxic relationships or people can be the best thing you could do for your soul and your spirit. Be fierce. Okay? So, Taurus, ito yung mensahe sa inyo. It's all up to you. If may mga toxic sa tao, na may mga toxic people around you or even your partner, so it's up to you, Taurus, okay? But this message is telling you to be fierce, okay? Take care of yourself, protect yourself, Taurus. So, ito yung mga mensahe sa inyo. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Thank you, Taurus. Bye.